Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Guys, if you want to spruce up your bathroom, MaisoNovo has you covered with these amazing refillable containers to replace those generic hideous bottles that are usually in your bathroom. Let me go ahead and show you just how easy they are to use and exactly why I love them. So they come with the attachment so you can stick them anywhere you like. They stick really well into the bathroom, as you can see here. These are full, so they do hold quite a lot of weight as well. They come with 6 different tags, so you can adjust them according to what you need and what you have inside the containers as well. The top and bottom screws off very simply, so it makes it easier for you to refill, and it does also come with a small funnel to use as well. The pumps are really quite nice, very easy to use, and only require a small amount of pressure to get out whatever is inside. So like I said, I think they look fabulous and really upgrade the look for your bathroom, really giving it a spa-like feel. So guys, I think you can agree, these are absolutely gorgeous and way better than those ugly store-bought shampoo bottles, but that's just my point of view.